So ito guys, first time natin mauupuan tong Trident 800. First time natin siya matatry actually. Nakikita lang natin siya sa showroom. And hindi tayo naka-attend ng launch na to dahil meron tayong corporate event. So ngayon try natin tong bike na to. Gaan niya ha? Hindi ko pa kabisado yung specs nito. So this is just the first ride impression. Tignan natin kung what this bike is all about. Ang lalim nung gear. Ang lakas din ng preno. Ang lakas ng preno sa harap, guys. Suwabe. So first ride impression tayo. Ito, una ko napansin dito sa bike na to is magaan. Parang na-imagine ko yung mga ibang rider na who will own this will have a good time playing with this bike. Ganda ng tunog, guys. Bilis ng bike na to. Ito ang magandang gawing daily. Kanan daw, kanan daw. Sakto, mayroong maglilibing. Pwede na, unahan natin. Natin yung Jollibee. May sinasabi siyang Jollibee eh. Yan, pagdating sa Jollibee, kakanan daw tayo. Yan, yung maliit na kanto. Ito. Ang napansin ko dito sa bike na to is ang lakas ng front brake niya, which is good. Pero don't make the mistake yung nagtuturn ka, slow moving yung bike mo, mapapagrab ka ng front brake. So if you're that rider na mayroong habit na slow moving ka, slow turn, at bigla kang nagagrab ng front brake, matutumba ka dito. So alalay ka sa front brake mo, guys. Pangatlong napansin ko dito sa bike na to, guys, this is all stock exhaust. So ang sarap ng tunog ng inline 3 na tong motorcycle na to. Ang ganda ng ano niya, tunog niya pag yung low RPM, talagang pumupunit. So we've talked about how light this bike is. We've talked about the brakes. Now we've talked about the sound of the exhaust. Yung ano naman niya, yung comfort niya. Riding comfort is there definitely. Unang-una, it's a naked bike. and the controls, hindi matigas yung clutch, yung brakes, perfect yung ergonomics ko sa bike na to. And this is a bike na I can ride daily definitely. And kung nabibitin ka na sa middleweight, dito ka sa 800. Actually, nakikita ko market ng tong bike na to is for people na naka 400cc na, pero ayaw pa mag liter bike. Let's try the acceleration. So what else? We've talked about the nimbleness of this bike. We've talked about the brakes. We've talked about the exhaust. Then we've talked about the riding comfort. And lastly, the power. I'm sure you guys are curious about the power of this bike. This is definitely a much more powerful bike than the Trident 660. And yung acceleration nito, actually kaya ako pinili yung isang bike over the Trident 660 is because at the time I felt that yung Trident 660 may konting delay yung hatak. Ito hindi, real time to. If you wanna go fast, you go fast. Ang bilis. Ang daling dalhin ito sa traffic. So yun lang guys, if you guys are into this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and share to your buddies. And by the way, before I end this video again, share the love guys, subscribe, because I've seen the analytics, there's a growing number of you guys watching, but most of you are not yet subscribed. So please share the love and subscribe so I can do more content like this. So yun lang guys, as always, thanks for watching. Ride safe and rock and ride.